Well, okay guys, here I am ready to put the motor on. We'll figure out a way to get that on there. So what I got is I picked up a Grizzly motor off of Amazon, and I'll actually put a link down below if you're interested in picking one of these up. And I got a 4-position pulley wheel, so I'll have 4 different speeds to be able to work with. And how I'm going to attach this is I'm going to take this board and I'm going to stick it on here with the motor behind. Now the motor won't fit on the board positioned right. You can see the shaft comes out too far, so I'm going to have to jog it back. And I'm going to do that by bolting this on the back side, and then I'll mount the motor to this. That'll line my shaft up with my pulley wheel here. And then there's the bolt down, the bolt that goes down through the middle. I'll actually come up through the top with a wing nut, and I'll put a slot in my board here. So I'll drill a slot here that I'm able to adjust the tension and the positions of my motor. You know, the different positions of the pulley wheel to get the different speeds. So that's what we're working with, and well, let's get started. So I'm ready to mount it, and I'm looking at my hardware, and I really don't have any washers that are you know, that fit my bolt, which is kind of weird. I don't know if I lost them or whatnot. But so I'm gonna have to go down and get some washers. Anyhow, so I guess I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. Got some washers. I don't know what happened there, but definitely wasn't happy with this much sloppiness that's in there, so we'll do something like that. That should be fine. So I may have to put a lock washer on the bottom because it's not grabbing up here, it's slipping underneath. So I'm unable to tighten it down and push it at the same time. But we'll figure that out. That's just some little minor adjustments. We'll figure out how I'm going to keep that from moving. But yeah, there it is. Now all I need to do is wire it in, and it's pretty much ready to go. I kind of think maybe I should have made this stick out a little further because I did want to put the switch on here. So I'm not sure where I'm going to mount the switch. Maybe I'll do it over on the base down here. We'll do the switch over here or something, up and down. But you know, because normally this is going to be all the way over to the side. So anyhow, there it is. It's coming along.